Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add money to Venmo from Cash App. It's very easy to do. For this, first you have to link your bank account to both Venmo and Cash App. First go to Venmo app, then go to settings and payment methods, then add a bank account. Also go to Cash app, then go to banking, then select linked accounts and tap on add a bank account. Now open Cash App. Then tap on the balance at the top of the screen, then tap cash out and choose the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Select standard or instant for the transfer speed. Now open Venmo app, then tap the three-dot menu and select manage balance. Now tap add funds and enter the amount you want to transfer. Select your linked bank account as the source, then confirm the transfer. That's it. That's how you can add money to Venmo from Cash App.